Hello there everybody, and welcome to my weather channel. My name is Adam Welcome, and today I will be breaking down my storm chase from May 21st, 2024. This picture that you see here was one of many that I had taken on this adventure. Right now you are looking at the SPC Severe Weather Outlook for May 21st. Several days before this occurred, we started off with a slight risk, and then we gradually got into an enhanced risk, and then, shockingly, a moderate risk. The moderate risk was backed up by a 45% chance of damaging wind gusts. Hail was also a possibility, but chances for hail were a little bit greater to the west as the supercells first spawned. When I chased these storms, I didn't encounter that much hail, but the chance was there. This was the star of the show. This is what the moderate risk was mainly backed up behind. A 15% chance for tornadoes and a large black dashed area that represented significant tornadoes possible. Though I did not see any tornadoes during my chase, tornadoes were certainly an issue. As Sean and I made our way into the moderate risk of central Iowa, we encountered some moderate bands of thunderstorms that had brought some 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts. We then encountered a developing supercell to our south. We continued to follow this supercell for about 15 to 20 miles and decided it wasn't going to produce anything due to the lack of shear in the environment. I caught that. We had ditched the supercell that we were chasing earlier and then went on to pursue the unorganized line of storms to our west that had a much higher tornadic potential.
Cause look at that, I was telling you. Oh, shit, dude. This is some shit right here.
Tornado warning. Radar indicated.
We're just on the edge of the box, but do you think this town has tornado sirens?
I don't hear any sirens.
I don't either.
What road are y'all on right now?
Well, he has this on a gravel road.
51st Street.
Dude.
This storm was still tornado warned at this point. Notice the rotation just behind the telephone pole on the right side of the video.
Hopefully if I put my back here. Oh, it's really coming out now. It's coming quick, dude. You see that?
Yeah. You gotta go.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
We gotta go! In the car!
That's not rotational.
Dude, look at that! It's going so fast!
That's what I was saying. I'm like, holy shit, we gotta move.
One more.
One more, that's what they all see. That's what Clay and I said last time.
Alrighty, that's enough.
Whoa.
Here it comes!
Here it comes!
Oh my gosh!
Look at the rain off this thing.
Dude!
My wind, dude! We gotta get the fuck
Oh! We
out.
gotta drive south.
Well, let's just double check for sure.
You check the radar, I'll drive south. Go. There you go.
The rotation doesn't look super tight. There's just gonna be a huge wind bag up. Look at the curvature.
Oh my gosh, the wind, dude.
Wow, dude, this thing is packing a punch for sure. This was worth the wait.
Oh my gosh.
I wasn't able to get a screenshot of the radar at this time, but little did I know, we were driving through the RFD with some rotation in this storm.
Look at the rotation. That's probably what we were driving through. I'm surprised if they wanted that. Oh! Dude, I really am not surprised if they won this thing. Look at this. Look at the velocities. It's so tight.
What did they tornado warn it or just?
Not yet, but they better soon. Holy crap. We're like kind of by the rotation. Well, if we would have stayed on the road kind of where that house was you were talking about, that was nice. But also look at this interesting fire. We're on the back side of this. It's strong.
caught that, dude. I
did too.
caught that.
And I was just trying to record a cop thing, and all of a sudden, boom! Oh, dude, mine's perfect. I got the lightning bolt. Watch when this thing replays again. It'll be coming up right now. Watch. Oh my god!
These are some of my best captures from the storm chase. If you would like to see more, you can check out my darkroom gallery. I will likely be starting up another gallery soon where I can sell more products like greeting cards, framed prints, and more. Thanks for watching.